have call. That should be clear.
Ibrahim Traore, Surasa Gilli.
This boy has gained popularity all over the world, and we politicians, people are laughing at us.
All we have to do is to kill him. No coup.
Some unknown people wanted to overthrow my government. I want all France soldiers to leave within 72 hours. Out!
Now our enemy is on alert. We have to prepare very well.
We know some of our countrymen are supporting our enemies to attack us. I am warning anyone who is behind these attacks.
You are too young to risk your life.
If it will take my life, I will do. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Thomas Sankara, Muammar Gaddafi, Africa will be great again.